Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the phone really booted into safe mode. You'll see safe mode on the screen. Once done, power button is your first tool. Press and hold until the power menu appears. Make sure to note any recently installed apps. These often trigger safe mode. You'll also need your PIN or Google credentials to unlock later. This initial sweep prevents wasted steps and lets you act immediately when the reboot option appears. You'll want to select Restart. That simple action often exits safe mode because it reloads the regular launcher and services. If the device returns to safe mode after a restart, then you need to uninstall apps installed right before the issue. Go to Settings, Apps, pick the suspect app, and uninstall. This removes conflicts. Also clear cache for apps you keep. That prevents corrupted temporary data from forcing safe mode. Keep checking. If repeated restarts and app removals don't work, you'll escalate carefully. Back up your data, then perform a factory reset because that restores system files and typically clears safe mode. If you prefer a less drastic step, use recovery mode to wipe cache partition when available. That can resolve deeper software glitches without data loss. One troubleshooting tip. Physical buttons or a tight case can hold a button down and trigger safe mode. Inspect and remove the case first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.